Alright, gang, so I came out here a little earlier. I got another project I was working on, and I got a few minutes. Let me try this Forge thing. I had a 025 MIG tip in there. Don't mind the plug. And then so I said, well, let me see. I put 035 in. Since then, maybe I'm gonna turn you guys around. Let me show you a couple of little small changes I've made. You see this back burner, how long that tube is there that holds the 1/4 inch. I cut some off of that one on the front. Also, I drilled some extra air intake holes on this one on the front. I'm running with no damper. And I got that tube shoved way down in the hole. It's down in somewhere in here. This has been running for about 20 minutes, and that's my color. So I read a couple of articles online, and it says it takes about 20 minutes for your forge to get up to forge temperature. I believe we're there. I'm only running one burner. What I want to do is stick a railroad spike in there. Let's see what happens. Time, almost a quarter after 4. Come in here to the forge, and we got it running at about 7 psi, and we only have a little over 100 pounds left in this propane bottle. I was just reading some comments on another video from some friends over at Garage Misadventures, 2 young kids. I highly advise go watch them. I don't know exactly what they're up to, but Misadventures is a good name. They have, they're into Volkswagens, campers, all kind of creative arts. I enjoy watching them. I advise y'all to go check them out too, but don't do that instead of watching me. But we'll keep our eyes on that spike. Alright. Yo, Timex says it's been about 4 minutes. The last, hang on. Just guessing. Probably about that much. So that spike is orange. I'll pull it out. See what I mean? Really makes me wish I would have went on ahead and done them railroad spike tongs. Also, earlier I thought maybe I could I got the back end built where I slide one brick in low and the top's open. I got the bright idea that I'll take a brick, and I got some deals that holds it up. Take the top brick and blocks that whole back end off. Not a good idea. It started stammering and stumbling and acting a fool. we're looking at 420. Yeah, 420. I think that spike's ready to beat. We'll grab it and give it a whirl. Really makes me wish I would have went on ahead and done them railroad spike tongs. I'm gonna grab and give it a whirl with some different tongs. I do believe with some better tone and move my forge over closer to my anvil that it will work. As is. And that's all I need. I'm registered for a festival in the fall and I need some little small key rings, bottle openers, I don't know, maybe a railroad spike knife, I don't know. Any thoughts and comments is appreciated. I appreciate y'all's support. Like, share, subscribe, comment. This is Mo Damn It. Guitar Recon works out.